Good morning, students. Today we are taking a short and sweet poem, Stolen Boat, by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is regarded as one of the greatest nature poets of Romantic age. His masterpiece work is The Prelude, and this poem, Stolen Boat, is an extract from that masterpiece, The Prelude. This poem was published in 1850 and it is a great nature poem. In this poem, the poet William Wordsworth, he is recollecting his childhood memories, especially how a child feels delight, enjoys when he gets something unusual. So in this poem is subjective in nature, and the poet himself is a part of the poem. He is a child, and surprisingly he found a boat near the seashore, near a river, and he stole that boat, and he enjoyed that act of stealing, and he takes that boat as his own possession. So beautiful nature poem, beautiful description of nature with minute details, how the river looks like, how the water looks like during the night, especially when we are having a ride over the sea water or river water. One summer evening, I found a little boat tied to a willow tree. The poet William Wordsworth is stating, he is saying, on one summer evening, he found a little boat that was tied to a willowed tree. That was, tied means bandi hui, to a willow tree, to a huge tree. It was tied, and he found it as a child, and he felt so much delighted. Within a rocky cave, rocky means mountain, cave means gufa. So within a rocky cave, he found that boat, its usual home, and that was the dwelling place of boat. The boat he found there from a cave. Straight I unloosened her chain. And the poet, as a child, what he did, he unloosened her chain. He untied that boat and stepping in, and he got in and pushed from the shore. So he pushed the boat from the shore so that he can have the ride over it. It was an act of stealth. So it was an act of stealing. So the child knows very well that he is stealing the boat. And troubled pleasure. So troubled pleasure is an example of oxymoron. He is having, the poet, the child is having the pleasure that he got it. He got a new thing, and that pleasure is troubled one because he is feeling guilty also. So troubled, परेशान भी है वो और वो खुश भी हो रहा है. So troubled pleasure he is having, nor without the voice, and without making any noise of mountain echoes did my boat move on. So his boat was moving over the constant stagnant water of the river without making any sound, leaving behind her still on either side. Leaving behind छोड़ दिया, तो बोट ने छोड़ दिया. On either side, दोनों तरफ. Still means as constant picture of mountains, hills, everything, small circles glittering idly in the moon. And when the boat is moving over the surface water, it was leaving small circles. छोटे छोटे पानी की बूंदें जो बन रही हैं जैसे जैसे नाव आगे बढ़ रही है. And beautiful picture of those circles of water droplets glittering idly in the moon, and they were shining brightly in the moonlight because it is the night time and the child is having a ride over the boat until they melted all into one track of sparkling light. And what is happening? Those circles of water droplet, they got melted and they became one, and making one straight line, one track, one path of sparkling light, of glittering, twinkling light, or light of moon. So beautiful nature description.